I use this jig to assemble all the different parts that go into the temple arms of my glasses. These parts need to be trimmed to shape, and I do that by clamping them to this special jig, while this computer-controlled tool cuts one side of the temple arm with a round profile so that it's comfortable behind your ears. These parts then go back into the same clamp so that the computer-controlled tool can cut the other side. It took quite a while to get all this working properly, and it now saves me some time during the hand finishing process that comes next. And here's one of my finished frames made of blue denim.